Say goodbye to food waste and hello to long-lasting celery. Ever find your celery turning limp and soggy after just a few days in the fridge? With this simple trick, you can keep your celery crisp and fresh. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to long-lasting celery. Stay tuned. You're going to love this tip. Yes, I approve this message. To make your celery last longer in the fridge, follow these steps. Separate the stalks. Rinse them under cold water to remove any dirt. After rinsing, dry the stalks thoroughly with a clean paper towel. Next, remove the ends. Trim off the root end and any brown or damaged parts. Wrap the dried celery tightly in aluminum foil, which allows the ethylene gas to escape while keeping the celery crisp. Place the foil-wrapped celery in the crisp drawer of your fridge. Watch it last and not be wimpy. Here's how to make the easiest hot chicken wing. Rinse your chicken wings in cold water, pat dry with a paper towel. Make sure your oil is hot. Use vegetable, canola, or peanut oil. Carefully and slowly add the chicken wings to the oil one by one. Drop close to the surface of the oil to avoid splashes. Cook until they're brown and crispy, about 15 minutes. Use a slotted spoon or a skimmer to remove them from the hot oil. Make the sauce using a 1-to-2 ratio of butter to hot sauce. Here we're using 1/2 cup of melted butter and 1 cup of hot sauce. Pour the sauce over the chicken wings while they're still hot. Use tongs to make sure they're fully coated. They are ready to serve. Next, we'll learn how to get your celery sticks extra crispy before serving. For extra crispiness, place the celery stalks in cold water in the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. There you have it. Now you know how to make your celery sticks last longer in the fridge and how to prepare them so that they're fresh and crisp when you cook chicken wings at home. Today, we're tackling a topic that hits home for all of us: energy. Whether you're battling afternoon slumps, feeling sluggish throughout the day, or just want to power up, today's episode is all about eating for energy. Let's dive into foods that boost energy and combat fatigue. First up on our energy boosting list are leafy greens. Everyone loves leafy greens for a good reason. I especially love spinach and broccoli. Kale is very popular. Also Swiss chard. They are all packed with iron, which helps your red blood cells transport oxygen throughout your body. If you're low on iron, you might feel drained and fatigued, but these greens have got you covered. One of my favorite ways to sneak in more greens is by sauteing spinach. I like to saute my spinach with olive oil, saute the onions, add in the spinach, and drizzle in some soy sauce. That's a perfect side dish that pairs with almost any meal. Iron boost, check. Next on the list are nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all fantastic sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in converting food into energy. Plus, they provide healthy fats that fuel your body for the long haul. Here's a quick energy boosting snack idea. Blend some almonds with a few dates for a delicious no-bake energy bite. Perfect for when you need a pick-me-up during the day. Now let's talk about fruits. Fruits like bananas, berries, perfect for smoothies, right? Oranges are a natural candy. They're packed with natural sugars, fiber, and antioxidants. These carbs give you a quick energy boost without the crash you get from processed sweets. My go-to energy booster is a banana berry smoothie. Just blend a banana, some frozen berries. I usually try strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a handful of spinach and almond milk. This is a powerhouse of energy that keeps me going all morning long. And before we go any further, let's not forget one of the simplest and most effective energy boosters out there: water. Dehydration is one of the biggest culprits behind fatigue, so make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. I have a water, where's my phone? Oh. I'm using it to tape this video, but I have a app on my phone that sends a notification. I think it's every hour, so it reminds me to drink water because I stay dehydrated. So make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. A squeeze of lemon or some cucumber slices can give it a refreshing twist. Finally, let's talk about protein-packed foods. Foods like salmon, eggs, and quinoa give you sustained energy. They're rich in vitamin B, which helps your body convert food into fuel. Plus, the protein keeps you full and satisfied, avoiding those energy dips between meals. I love making a simple salmon dish with quinoa. It's light but packed with nutrients that will keep you energized for hours. Plus, omega-3s are in salmon and they're great for brain health. So keep in mind so your mind stays sharp. So whether you're battling the 3 p.m. slump or just want to feel more energized throughout the day, these foods are the perfect way to fuel your body naturally. Remember, eating for energy is all about balance. Load up on fresh, whole foods, stay hydrated, and keep those healthy fats and proteins in rotation. Here's to boosting your energy and feeling amazing. Thanks for joining me on today's episode of Cooking at Home with Belle LaFay. Let me know in the comments what you'd love to see next. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, I'll give you a second. There you go. If you're ready to bring some of these nutrition tips into your kitchen, head over to my recipe videos for easy, healthy meals you can try at home.